Have you noticed that almost everyone is trying to grow on TikTok these days? But here's the problem. Creating videos consistently is difficult. You need ideas. You need scripts. You need editing. You need captions. You need trending hashtags. And after doing all that, there's still no guarantee your videos will perform well. That's exactly why AI tools like TokNinja AI are becoming popular. According to its creators, TokNinja AI can help automate much of the TikTok content creation process, from generating scripts and videos to captions, hashtags, and even scheduling posts. But does it actually save time? Is it beginner-friendly? And most importantly, is it worth buying? That's exactly what we'll explore in today's review. By the end of this video you'll know what TokNinja AI is, how it works, main features, pros and cons, pricing, who should buy it, and my final verdict. If you want the official page, you'll find the link in the description. Now let's get started. TokNinja AI is promoted as an all-in-one TikTok content creation platform. Instead of using multiple tools for script writing, video creation, captions, hashtags, voiceovers, scheduling, the platform aims to combine these into one workflow. The idea is simple. You enter a topic, keyword, or website. The AI generates content around it. You review the output, then edit if needed and publish. It's designed for creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers, agencies, and small businesses that want to produce short-form videos more quickly. Let's see how the process works. Step 1. Enter your topic. For example, best AI tools, or weight loss tips, or Amazon gadgets. Step 2. Choose a style. Depending on the available options, you may be able to select tone, niche, voice, or video style. Step 3. Generate. The AI prepares a draft that may include script, captions, hashtags, voiceover, video elements. From there you can edit the result before publishing. AI script writer. Writing hooks is often the hardest part. TokNinja AI says it can generate scripts designed for short-form content. AI video generator. Instead of editing manually, the platform aims to assemble videos using AI-generated content and media. AI captions. Captions are important because many people watch videos without sound. Automatic captions can save editing time. AI voiceovers. The platform also advertises AI voice generation so you don't always have to record your own narration. Trending topic finder. One of the more interesting features is trend discovery. Rather than guessing what to post, the software claims to help identify trending topics and ideas for TikTok content. AI hashtag generator. Finding relevant hashtags can be time-consuming. TokNinja AI says it can generate hashtags suited to your topic. Scheduling. Scheduling lets you prepare content in advance and publish more consistently without needing to post manually every day. Here are some positives. First, the workflow appears beginner-friendly. Second, having multiple creation tools in one dashboard can reduce the need to switch between different apps. Third, it can save time on repetitive tasks like drafting scripts and captions. Fourth, it's cloud-based, so there's no software installation required. No AI tool is perfect. You should expect to review and edit AI-generated content before publishing. Also, success on TikTok depends on many factors: content quality, audience, timing, and consistency, not just the software you use. Treat TokNinja AI as a productivity tool rather than a guaranteed way to go viral or earn income. At the time of writing, the front-end version is advertised at around $17, with optional upgrades for additional features and capacity. Always check the official sales page for the latest pricing and included features, as these can change. So, is TokNinja AI worth it? If you're creating TikTok content regularly and want to streamline tasks like scripting, captions, hashtags, and basic video generation, it could be a useful addition to your workflow. If you're expecting one-click viral success with no effort, it's better to keep realistic expectations. AI can speed up content creation, but your ideas, editing decisions, and consistency still matter. Overall, TokNinja AI appears to be a convenient all-in-one toolkit for creators who want to produce short-form content faster, especially beginners and marketers looking to simplify their workflow. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews every week. If you've already tried TokNinja AI, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear what worked well for you. And if you're interested in checking out TokNinja AI yourself, you'll find the official link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.